I had some broken and abscessed teeth, and I was looking to get some of my teeth removed and then move on to a denture. We did top denture first and then moved on to full denture. I had a lot of pain, like I said, a lot of abscessed teeth, broken teeth. Yeah, I wasn't able to eat a lot of hard foods, and most of my meals were soft foods prior to getting the initial denture. Oh, I definitely held back my smile, and I was very guarded after my denture. And then the Roundhouse, I feel like my life has changed dramatically. I have 3 children over the age of 20, and I have a 5-year-old daughter. So for me, not being ashamed or, hiding my smile, I can just be myself and enjoy life with all of my children and my grandchildren. It's probably the best part. Having the mini implants have made me feel confident and that I can be myself, kind of like when I was young again. I'm able to eat and participate in everyday life without having any issues at all. You changed my life, right?
Thank you very much. Appreciate that. You changed ours too. Thank you.
Thank you.
I bet.